Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show how to get a work visa without paying expensive agencies. Grab a notebook. This video could save you money and stress. Most agencies charge crazy fees and some even scam people. Good news, everything they do you can do yourself. I'll break it down step by step. Step 1. Research. First, pick the country you want to work in. Always read the official immigration website for the most accurate, up-to-date rules. For example, Germany offers a job seeker visa. Canada has work permits. The UAE uses employer-sponsored visas. Step 2. Find jobs directly from employers. Skip paid middlemen. Apply straight to companies and careers pages for better control. Use trusted sites like LinkedIn Jobs. And Indeed, search, filter, and apply directly. Glassdoor helps you research salaries and company reviews. For Europe, check URIs for cross-border job openings. Also check company career pages. Some roles aren't on big boards. Tailor your CV to each country and job. It really helps. Step 3. Apply and secure a job offer. If you pass interviews, the employer will send a job offer or contract. That job offer is what lets you apply for a work visa. Only a real employer can sponsor you. Agencies only connect. You're cutting out the middleman. Step 4. Prepare required documents. Be organized. Usually you need a valid passport, job offer, and education certificates. Also proof of work experience and police clearance where needed. Some countries require a medical exam and passport-size photos. Check the embassy checklist. Missing one document can delay or reject your application. Double-check the embassy list. Keep copies and originals organized in one folder. Step 5. Submit your visa application via embassy or official visa center. Book an appointment, submit documents, and attend any interview required. Pay only the official visa fee at the embassy or visa center. Never hand over money or originals to unofficial people. Step 6. Once approved, book your travel and prepare to move. Research living costs, accommodation, and local customs before you go. Congratulations! Doing this yourself saves the agency fees you would have paid. Use those savings to settle in and start your new life abroad. Quick recap. Research, apply direct, get the offer, gather documents, submit, then travel. Follow these steps and you won't need an agency. If this helped, like and subscribe for more job abroad tips. Share this with someone dreaming of working abroad. Start today. Thanks for watching. Good luck and see you next time.